Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you on how to integrate Nuxt UI into your Vue project. So if you look at my screen right now, you will notice that I have my Vue project running. And for those of us who don't know how to set up a Vue project, all you just need to do is go to the Vue guide and go to the install page. Once you're there, all you just need to do is copy this code, put it in your terminal, and get started. While you are installing setting up your Vue project, make sure that the Vue router is set to yes, because you will need it for your Nuxt UI to work properly. So once you're done with that, head over back to your and check if it's running. If all is well, you will see a Vue component saying welcome to Vue and the rest. But I have gone ahead to cancel everything, to clean it and add my own, which is just a reward. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now to the task of the day, we need to integrate Nuxt UI into our Vue project. And how do we do that? We need to go to the documentation, which is ui3.nuxt.dev. In that site, all you just need to do is go to the installation page. Once you are there, you'll be greeted with these instructions. And all it takes is 5 steps, and they are very simple. Since I'm going to be using npm, which is my package manager, I'm going to copy this code. You can use whatever package manager you're using. Okay, let me go ahead and turn off this one, or maybe just open a new one. Okay, let me go ahead and paste it and enter. Okay, now that has been installed, the next thing we do is move on to the step to adding our Nuxt UI to Nuxt UI Write plugin to our Write page. So copy, then you paste it here. And the next thing is also copy the plugin and add it to the list of plugins. And once I'm done with that, you move over to the csconfig.app. We need to add this code declaration or type declarations. It will be also generated by the Nuxt UI once it is registered. So let's go back to yes, after this paste it. Okay, I've pasted mine already. And then next thing, you also add this to your gitignore file. Now after that, you go to step 3, copy the plugin, put it in your main.ts, and also add the plugin into your app. Use UI. Okay, the plugin has been registered already. Now lastly is adding your tailwind to your project. This is using the tailwind version 4, which is nice. I haven't played with it for a while, but it just came out. But from what I've seen so far, it looks very nice. Ensure that the file is also added or imported to your main.ts, which is over here. So this has been added here already. The last one is to wrap everything within Vue app. Why? Because it's going to give you global configuration for your toast and tooltip. Yes, after you've done that, Now we can run the code. Run our code base npm run. Let's see if everything is working. As you can see, everything is not working, and the reason why everything is not working is because of the Nuxt UI. So we need to download a new version, which is this, or which is this one right here. But we're going to download a different version at 2899. So make sure you copy everything from here to this place, then download the different version at 2899. So by doing this, it's going to fetch us the package that was built around this printed version. Okay, so it has been added already into our package.json. So let's go ahead and run it. npm run dev. So we're seeing greens now, meaning it's working. So I think I need to open the server. Okay, created a new, opening a new port. Okay, so now that it has been added, everything has changed. And because of my system is dark mode by default, that's why I'm saying this. But if you can look at this, if you remember, this was a link. Now the underlying, the default property of a link is no more showing. That means our tailwind has been added already. Okay, so now to add a component, let's try adding a component. Go to the color mode. I would like to use this one. Let's switch our mode from dark to light mode. So let me go to my excerpt, add the file here. And add the button here. So let me remove necessary. I would like to prove a point. So let it load. So if you can see, my button has been loaded already, and changing the mode from dark to light and light to dark. Oh, okay. So now the next thing we are asking is, how will I add my brand color? And that is very simple. All you just need to do is go to your CSS. Let me show you in the documentation how it's been implemented. All you just need to do is go to your CSS and add the theme directive. Yes, this add the theme directive. CSS by main.css. You add the theme directive at theme. Then whatever your brown color is, you add it down there. I like to use this to generate the color. So let's see. Okay, you can export now. Ensure you click on this stay with 4 because that's what you'll be using. Here you go here, click on it, and then one last thing, you add what they call it, color, and dash. Yes, that way Tailwind can automatically identify your brown color. Not just doing, okay, it's not just that. Sorry, one more needs to be added here. This is it. VS Code Yes. So this way, Tailwind will know what your background color is, and make sure it's the same name as this Hillary. Take it from to get this. Okay, so let's not see if that has been applied. So now if you look at it, it has been applied. It's no more the default green. Now it's this color. I think it is this, either this or this, one of which sharp. And also, I've been able to change my background color from the dark blue to zinc, which is my neutral, to zinc. So there you have it, guys. If you like to, this is how you integrate Nuxt UI into your Vue project. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And before I sign out, if you have anything, if you are facing any issue, don't hesitate to write down into the comment section. I'll be here to answer it. Have a nice day. Thank you.